At UAV Drone Solutions, we're working with land surveyors and construction companies to integrate drone technology into their workflows, with best-in-class LiDAR mapping systems. With drone-based LiDAR, we can complete data collection work that would normally take 4 days, in as little as 4 hours, and cut costs by up to 75%. From point clouds and photogrammetry, through to models and calculations including planimetrics, elevation, contours, classifications, and volumetrics. We're making reality capture easier and more accessible. Start your partnership with UAV Drone Solutions today, with this unbeatable offer. Book a demonstration, and we'll visit your site, show you our drone LiDAR survey equipment and workflows, map an area up to 20 acres in size, process the data and provide access to a point cloud and an orthomosaic via our online service, free of charge. You can then use the available tools to measure distances, heights, areas, and volumes. This unbeatable offer includes services and data worth over £800, and will also provide priceless information on how LiDAR can change your business. This amazing opportunity is only available for a limited time, so register your interest today.